when I enrolled or when I was enrolling for this course, right, I was expecting a detailed understanding into the world of coaching and the process of conducting sessions, right? I basically have been on this journey for quite some time where I've been doing some short-term courses around coaching or around psychology. But what was actually missing, which I felt, is that I wasn't able to really understand what this world of coaching is and how to really begin with it. I think that is what was essentially my expectation, is this detailed fundamental understanding into the world of coaching. My initial experience to start with was that I had like a positive feeling about this course because my intention I felt was in the right place. But to be really honest, I think I was also like any early beginner coaches. I was also having doubts in my own capabilities or maybe in my own self world or self skills, that if I can even become a good coach or not. So I think my initial experience was a mix where I was also feeling positive and I was also have filled with a bit of doubt, right? Which I think every beginner coaches or anyone who is in this journey would relate with. The positive shift, hence, after doing this course or during the course, was that there was a lot of confidence that I gained, a lot of sense of unlearning happened in my personal life, and with that, of course, relearning happened about my own self, about things that I really want in my life, and more so, I think, from a self-doubt, it really converted into starting to have that self-confidence. What are the things that I think this stands out about this course, and actually that actually helped in building my confidence, is that the course has the practical exposure. It helps you do these mock, client sessions, right? And that actually helps build up, right, your own self-confidence. And there is, as well as there is a constructive feedback, right, that comes from Mr. Ashwani as well as from the client, right? Both of these feedback together really becomes like can really help enhance your game, right, and enhance your own self understanding that where all can you really better in this field. Epitome of like bestest thing that I feel that this course has offered, of course, beyond the course material and the theoretical aspect and Mr. Ashwani himself, this part is something that really helped me. I really would recommend this course for aspiring coaches. As I said, when I also started off, or when I was even doing this course, right, I had doubts, right? I probably still have them, but right now it is channelized into this energy where I really feel confident in my own capability. And it's a great start for your learning journey into the world of coaching, into the world of even knowing that what is it to become a life coach, right? What is it to have help a human being, right? So yes, definitely highly suggest this for the aspiring coaches or anyone who was probably at a similar crossroad I am involved. With Ashwani, I think it was great connecting with him because there's a sense of positivity, there's a sense of maturity, as well as with a quantum and sheer quantum of expertise and knowledge that he brings to this course, sets this course apart. And I personally feel that there is a an enhanced energy that has been put into this course, which is beyond the theoretical and the practical thing. And that energy wall is something that really, really makes this and sets this course apart.